Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the clips that show you relaxed and engaging. These are the scenes that invite connection. Once done, trim to the essential moments so viewers see intent quickly, not filler. Make sure to arrange clips by mood, friendly first, then hobby, then conversational, to guide emotional pacing. You'll understand why people respond to clear, consistent tone. Then import into a 16:9 1080p timeline, so your edits read well on phones and laptops. You'll now shape the middle. Focus on rhythm and trust cues. Use short eye contact shots of 2 to 3 seconds to feel natural. Once you alternate with activity shots, viewers perceive authenticity. Make J-cuts and L-cuts so speech flows over reactions, which mimics real conversation and reduces jumpiness. Also apply gentle color warmth to feel inviting, and level voice around -3 to -6 dB, so dialogue stays clear without clipping. You finish by adding small polish that boosts connection, a concise lower third with your name and one interest tag, then a light soundtrack under 10% volume to support but not overpower speech. Once done, export H. 264 at about 8 Mbps for web and watch the first 10 seconds to confirm it hooks viewers. If things fall flat, make sure to tighten pacing and consider removing one clip that stalls the flow. This single swap often fixes engagement problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.